Hi everybody, from a very wet Felbridge today. Just thought I'd like to show you our latest used arena for sale. This is a 2017 built Equihunter arena, and it's finished in a Jaguar metallic grey. This is for sale by one of our customers, and we've just finished a full refurbishment on it. As you can see, it's looking stunning. Original seating, very clean, rubber floor mat. Here's a reversing camera with a horse area camera as well on a 7-inch colour screen. (2012) chassis, dome lights that come on with the vehicle lights, and also for daytime running as well. Beautiful looking horse box. Barn doors on this one. We don't often do these, but some people prefer them. And here you go, and you can see inside the horse area. If I just get the ramp down for you. Here we go. Ultra strong ramp, as you can see, over 4 inches thick. Takes very heavy horses. Single part partition there with a swiveling head divider, and you can see here collapsible breast bar with anti-loose fasteners. Fitted both sides so the bar will just drop in case of emergencies, with the protection bars. Very wide track as well, as you can see here, and on the floor and at the hinge point, so you can widen or make the stall width thinner depending on the size of horse you have to take. Reversing camera in here. This is converted to a bed. There in the corner you can just see the LED light for night use, and this cushioning here is for a second bed in the living area. LED lights, these turn to blue when travelling at night. When you turn the vehicle lights on, they automatically come on. Thick rubber matting to the floor. Under is an aluminium sheet flooring. Round to the back, and you can see some extensive living fitted in here. Wardrobe with a hanging rail, separate cupboard underneath with a shelf, and this is the hose, small bore hose for the horse wash. Seating for two, and across these two seats here that you can see just behind the door here, also you have an infill bed, which you saw the cushions for in the Luton storage. Let's just undo that. Saddle pole on the off side, another saddle pole here on the near side. Gas cupboard with a sink hob unit fitted. Hardly used. Draining pool goes back down. Here's your light switches, and also the water pump feature. Plus you've got charge points here for 12-volt supply, so if you want to plug in your phone while you're on the move. Ultra bright LED light there. Plenty of storage as well from extra shelving. We have a look at the back. Here's the spare wheel carrier with our logo on the side, and here is the gas cupboard, which allows emergency access to the cupboard inside when you're travelling. In case you're stopped beside the road, emergency services will need access just to check that that bottle is turned off. So all in all, a beautiful vehicle. See the specs that we've posted on Facebook and on our website advert. I'll put some links up to some 360-degree photos so you can get an all-round panoramic view. But as you can see, we've done some heavy work on this to get it back to its original condition. And all in all, a lovely looking vehicle. Thanks for looking, guys. Please feel free to share and to like our post. Thank you.